atatimiza, ni katika jina la Yesu nimeomba na kuamini.
I expect everybody to keep quiet.
Well,
I'm worried if we can make noise and our first lady of the county, Arati, honorable members, guests and the teachers present, learners, good afternoon. It's a great honor to be here, and I believe we are going to be present because our first lady is with us here. So without so much ado, allow me to say we are here about 7 schools. That is Nyamware Secondary School, Nyamware Primary, we have Ritaro. Am I talking and I'm not seeing those people? Nyamware Secondary School? Okay. Nyamware Primary, Ritaro Primary, Iveria Primary, Getungurumu Primary, Geterere Primary, Riomweli Primary. All these are schools around here, madam. And allow me to briefly bring the heads of the institutions so that they can wave. Heads of institution, please. Come forward. Yes. Allow me to bring to the attention that the host principal of this place will start. Madam, Mr. Osoro.
Mama County, our MCS, Ivema, Keumbu, head teachers present, teachers, learners, ladies and gentlemen. May I take this opportunity to welcome you here, feel at home. Thank you for selecting Nyamware to be the venue for this occasion. My name, I'm Mr. Herbert Osoro, the head teacher, Nyamware. Teachers, you can introduce yourselves, please.
Head teacher Iberia. The head teacher is
All protocols observed. Mama County, wanafunzi, amjambo. Yes, karibu sana. I'm Mr. Machoka Charles, the principal Ritaro SDA. Karibu sana.
Good afternoon. I'm Roti Emily, the teacher Getungurumu. Labda pengine ningeomba walimu wa shule yangu wasimame wa wave. Ndiao. Asante.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dominic Mosetti, Deputy Teacher, Geometrical Primary. Teachers present, you can wave. Thank you. Your Excellency, Mrs. Arati, all the members of County Assemblies present, senior county officials, all protocols of staff. Good afternoon. Yeah, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the Board of Management, staff, and students of St. Stephen Nyamware Secondary School to welcome Mrs. Arati and her team. You are highly welcome in Nyamware. I'm the principal of Nyamware Secondary School, which is adjacent to the primary section. And my name is Humphrey Chipcoin. So you are highly welcome. Teachers, we have staff, support staff and teachers. Kindly wave. Yeah, they are there. And then students. Muko. Okay, thank you very much. Welcome.
Thank you very much, the heads of institutions and those who represent us. At this juncture, allow me to welcome Iberia to present an item for the dinner. Please, Iberia, where are you?
Come. What am I?
Our area chief, welcome. It's good. You have also joined us. Iberia, kuja haraka. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Allow me at this time to
hawa watoto na hiyo mwalimu wa shairi nimewapatia 2,000 mwenda mnunue soda. Wapi mwalimu?
thank you.
Bwana MCA.
That is wonderful. Allow me to welcome our area chief who is with us here so that he can also greet you and welcome you to this area.
Abana tutagerera mbia mule. Habari zenu? Muna furaha? Basi situkaribishe wageni. Okay, asante sana. Madam Mama, the First Lady of County, Madam Mama Simbarati, asante sana. Nimesema ya kwamba tuna furaha kumkaribisha the First Lady wa kaunti yetu ya Kisii. Waheshimiwa wote mmeandamana na wao, walimu na viongozi wengine wa tabaka mbalimbali pamoja na wasasi na wanafunzi. Hamchambo. Good afternoon. Kwa majina mimi naitwa James Momanyi. Mimi ndiye acting chief wa area hii ya Keumbu, na nataka kusema neno moja tu ya kwamba madam, karibu hapa Keumbu Ward, kiongozwa na subabu wetu hapa Mr. Gekanana. Tunampenda na tunafurahia program hii ya kusaidia wanafunzi wa kike, lakini na wale wa kiume pia wanastahili njia nyingine wasaidiwe. Kwa hivyo karibu, na tunaamini ya kwamba program hii itaisha vizuri. Asanteni sana.
Oh, thank you. At this juncture, allow me to welcome the area counter admin, so that he can continue from there because of time. Aliyekuwa anaongea ni mwalimu Nyachai, the head teacher Yomweli. Mkubwa karibu.
The First Lady of the county and all protocols of Saudi. Habari zenu? Today we are very happy to be with you. I know success begins at home. We have come here as a team from the county government. To me, I'm proud of you, and I hope our First Lady she has come to wish all the best to assets. To make Bariana, assets and the people of great of tomorrow. Asante. My name is Osoro Eric, the sub-county administrator. Thank you.
Thank you, Bwana Admin. Mbona na wada binga ndugia peleta? A success card? A soda? A mogati? A ngombe? Igo, nada to bwata biashara nende? Lakini biashara pia tigara mweka mata? Amata mwa. Let me take this single opportunity to invite all my elected MCAs. Naende? Na wabare tega ma MCA, wakabari wane mokwe huere obia, wakotangazwa. Mwabatagete? Mwabatange? Mbuya. Yes, all my MCAs elected, you can come forth. Igato chake? 40 minutes devotion, you come forth. I would that is 40 number in. You go, you can't no more MCO ito, o Birongo ward mo maite Birongo lakini na tari gotega Birongo lakini Birongo akoro
Buyamole. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? You are welcome. My name is Shem Mogesa Nyamwaya, Birongo Ward. I belong to this ward. Nchigai no se ito naende. Se ito samat. Samat. Mbalenga ba manyit. Okay. I'm wishing you that you excel in your exams. Mwaigule. Where are the form 4s? Walio jokora matem korango iga. Mungu awabariki sana na standard 8 wote, mpite mtihani. Mungu awabariki kabisa. Sina mengi. Mkiona nikitoka naenda kuprepare watu wangu wataraja huko. Kwa hivyo nitaajia boy kidogo aendelee kusukuma mbele. Si ndio hivyo? Mungu awabariki basi.
Bia mono, agenda ne success go sa atige. Agenda ne success. Atige. Mbre success ne bia mo huko. Ale mura nyoro mohati. Monyore ne ng'ombe. Ibalende taiweti.
Kogenda ande lakini ngotigira ande kibesa cyane first lady gari cyengombe. Egere muragire muri gutaribo.
Bia mono, na inche asamarieta angoro kwa mheshimiwa boy Gose Peter Moindi. Nganaki boy igotari inche noyo noria oyorende ngayare momuanjete buna monganjete mwanya kondora nakimugo ngacha mutanya kondora rende asamarieta angoro kwa mheshimiwa Wycliffe Siocha Gose Embande. Igumule Embande. Barenga bako igwe Embande. Bas, bono rende asenge joerire etwaicha tobasabera maya tebenga nyasaba konye mweta matemwa mugochi gokora matukabwango higa. Taribo. Na basabera maya mabi mocho kubweka Embande. Taribo. Nyasao yo.
God is good, and all the time. Wow. Okay. Kuyamole mwezi. Parenga bao chikokora matemu. Na aba wish well success. Mwanjire. Asamarieta angoro kuwolto bari muchache. Korukio goro ward. Buyamona motigala buyamukwani abaibori mwaihule. Thank you.
oyo nero rusa chia boko tumoma da boko oyo moire deka.
No. If you are happy and you know, raise your hand. If you are happy and you know, raise your hand. If you are happy and you know, really want to show. If you are happy and you know. Thank you. My name is Malak Matara from Kiamokama Ward. We've joined my colleague in this ceremony to wish you the best of luck in your forthcoming examination. Sawa? Muko ready kufanya mtihani? Na muko ready kupita? Na mkipita turudi pande hii? Asanti.
Biyamule. Mario Tangoro ko Steve Arika. Omwe msewe wadi ebeno. Omo sanyo oboy. Mumaite boy. Twako aba fast ready abaye Geometrical set na intotobe keroli. Mwanje tesi mbele taya. Biyamano. Hello. God is good. And all the time. Okay, the kieke.
Mwase tomo kamenta. Nina bata wangaini. Sabu, mora na mogoko. Ni wangapi wako na furaha nione kwa mikono? Mbona mko na furaha? Kwa sababu ya soda. Tena mgani? Oh, First Lady. Mzungu. Na mwingine? Oh, na mimi. Oh, na boy. Asanteni sana. Mimi kwa majina naitwa Enyororo. Naitwa aje? Mimi ni MCA. Halo. Mimi ni MCA wa ward naitwa Mwenyerero. Na leo tumekuja kuwasalimia na pia tuwatakie mema katika mtihani wenu ambao mnaenda kufanya. Ni wangapi wanaenda kupita mtihani? Soda mtakunywa, tulieni soda mtakunywa. Ni wangapi wanaenda kupita mtihani? Hii nyote ni candidates. Paka huyu. Basi nawatakia mema, grade 6 mpate ile mnaita exceeding expectation. Class 8 mpate 400 marks and above. Na wale ambao wako form 4 mwema mtapata sawa. Nawatakia mema, mpate mpite ili muweze kuwa watu wa kusaidia hapo mbele. Sasa tusoroche wachanganyire sira atuko kwa sisi kan record Tegar na wanongo be kuchilega huko ni mure. Bono lero tuachanga igaso kwa First Lady. Acha ko barete reza wadi ya barete ile bonchi soda, moja re geometrical set. Na inderende moja raka ngomba katoko chikotigero mheshimiwa boy. Bare ga ready kodia ngombe. Mure tayari kodia ngombe. Ndio bono sana koromo kinyasawa sen. Haya. Tegerera, motegerera gusabaira yo binte byegarime. Otegerera muri. Halo. Oyo tegerera ta korango iga. Mbiyo muri. Bari ma gari ba kuga, ai DJ. Mama eta simba ningo. Neta. Iko watu wekere simba neta yake. DJ. Haya, mbona ina kobe kawari na inde. Towe na ngora. Haya. Mbata mangana abere. Montegerere. Tokore bwa montegerere tokwane bwa tokore na rimora ike ko jisona bwa ngotayo. Tokire bwa. Bali more form 4. Form 4 wako hapa. Mko tayari? Mjiandaa vilivyo? Sawa, gavana wetu Simba Arati ametuma hapa tuwatakie kila laheri mnapoenda kufanya mtihani na amesema lazima mpite. Wangapi wako darasa la 8? Na nyinyi gavana amewatakia kila laheri mnapoenda kufanya mtihani. Tunawatakia mema muweze kufanikiwa na kupita. Sawa. Abana mora chinyaruka ninganje do kwana iga. Ndaite mo kwana iga. Gombati more. Sisi wanafunzi wa kike tunaapa ya kwamba tutafunga miguu na tufungue vitabu. Mwenyezi Mungu tusaidie. Amina. Bila mwananchengoro kumanana Richmond Rayori omaye musewe award yabo kakurwari bo getutu. Asante.
Abadera tibia. Bono kero monta tenene. Kero montate nene. Naande kero first lady agoche mo waka chinko bi mo koiria ta mo mata bo. Naba muraba buye bichuli. First lady
Hello. Hello. How are you? You are fine. Do you speak English? Do you want our translator to translate Kisi? Huh? Do you want someone to speak Kisi? Yes. Huh? Hello? Huh? Abano ba mindum biamole? Biamole naende. Nguko kwambo kasimba. Ninjo murugio Simba Arati. Let me introduce the nominated MCS who are with me here. Nominated MCS.
Aye simba ne mama, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mama, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mama, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka.
Good afternoon. Asa Marieta Ankoroku Brenda Gitea, the nominated MCA. Bariwago chokora matem na bata keira maya.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Grace Ongwai. I just want to say one thing to the candidate. The time is up. You are prepared for the 6 years, 8 years, and up to Form 4. I believe you have revised. And if there's anything you have not done, you can still do in this short time. Therefore, concentrate, put all your mind in the exams, and trust in God because He's the one who can fulfill the desire of your hearts. Therefore, put God first. He has promised when we ask and call upon Him, for sure He will answer, He will hear and answers. Are we together? And imonyi wete mbakwandereke gusiga ige bukwego teba nga ekero mu maete nyasaye na rikisemi cyonsi wakaraki sigota nandi cyamanya emanyama goteba iga abana mosike abayibori na abantu bande bonsi abanene taribo wana ino ekara bageni batenenere bose bene mokwega iga igo mubata maskani gaki tuna mura abayayiga tiwamone n'abaseseni naende mo babana abayiweri naende mo mwesike nyasaye nerora abayikira nibyonse naende abana abayiseke mwesike moteko nyakungaina ngaino ebi mura moteko nyakuyigunga mbono mwayisanire murayisanira kende bado murakora kende esikango nari murachikoba buna omugaba rati wayure ekina kiyoka kiraba konyekero muranyara ko musika nyasaye ebi ne byonse momente romone n'abaseseni.
The more you talk, you know the mic is expensive.
Hello, Your Excellency First Lady, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. My name is Michael Musetu Mari. I work in the Kisi nikiwa nawakilisha walemavu. Tumekuja hapa because tumetumwa na Gavana Simba kwa niaba ya familia yake tukuje kuwatakia mema as you approach your exams. God bless you and work hard and success. Thank you so much and God bless.
What have you seen him? What have you seen in Michael? Michael Goja. Is he sing? He's not sing, but he's sing. Now that he doesn't see and he has come this far, and you are sing, can you work harder than him? Are you going to be better than him? Are you sure? You have no confidence. Are you going to be better? Thank you, Michael.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. Okay, my name is Lilian Lekirari Sandona. I come from Bomachog, Borabu constituency, nominated by ODM. I've been a lecturer for a long period of time. I want to pass this message to Form 4s who are about to sit for their NEC exam. For the Form 4s, you cannot be able to pass the exam without at least make sure you get the NEC papers for the past like 5 years. For each and every subject, you go through those papers and you cannot be able to fail. Where you are not understanding, your teachers are here. Make sure you do a lot of consultation. Still, you have enough time, you can pass. I wish you well. I wish you success for grade 6, class 8 at the same time, Form 4. Mbarikiwe.
God is good. And all the time. Oh, get the ball. But I'm going to Simbane Tabai at the gate. Kama debi mwana mosinini Simbane ro totomire gaiga kowisheli the standard is grade 6 standard 8 and the Form 4 success mwanjira nile mwala kige kyale na barote nga mwanjira maiga ena ndi mwatabire nga ngoleta mure asa marita ngoro kufanis muranya mbane the nominated no ODM Simba Arati you going to hear Simba Arati for the girl child bali moko genda bana baba sindi mure gaiga mo baise kwanja mu kikwaru kiguntu akanete omuntu bunawo goire kiara minyoke so mugambi ko sekura mono taiba to kure bana mbali kwaro ka baise kabana bali buwatumire abakei ka class 8 tigakonya kuira aba muraba bakonya gukuna matunda ao ngosale kare omuntu aboroko gora tuwanaine ndo wanaine denda matunda ao akine buya aende chiro ndo wanaine for the Form 4s abaise ka bumba bungubayo abuna abana ba mino ndo wanaine those are your sisters and they are your mothers abande baino you have to take care of them and them be disciplined simbago te bana ki you must be disciplined obugete na bede taba disciplined akawaka hard in school
abanafunzi yemole naende abaminto babaini college talibo wose babaire leakage naigwo MC ondo minto ko bai leakage naigo bono gotoko basabira maya nyasaba seseni mupasi in your exam coming wose bana ntengoro kwa varini mogire wone mbonjali ndenominated by ODM but na mwigi bago teba ngantu na ba simba pati ye ko ODM ne ya simba nande gotole gotogotara no mongino yetaya mumorete moroji binarabete mwanya koromo songo mwarali le bunare taya mwake chinkobi yamon God is good and all the time. Yes, my Samadi Tangoroku Concept Parabera. We are here as agents and ambassadors of Governor Simba Arati, and we are here to wish you success for the grade 6, class 8, and Form 4. We wish you a lot of success in your forthcoming exams. And then to also give you hope for the class 8, when you are done with your exams, make sure that you do well, because kuna scholarship ya elimu na Simba. So ukikosa pesa, Simba atahakikisha umeenda shule. So class 8, make sure that you work hard and get marks and then go to high school. Your fees can be catered for. And when he gives you scholarship, he makes sure that you give you a scholarship up to Form 4. So that is good news for the class 8. Class 8 clap for the governor. Then the students, the high school students, there is a lot of hope because there is bursary which you have been given. Even this year, I'm sure you are given bursary. Next year, still there is a lot of money which is coming. So Simba anataka watoto wasome, and that's why we are here, and that's the gospel that we are preaching. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I'm here to present the Governor Simba Arati to wish you all candidates success in your exams. But I cannot just come here without leaving you with food. How can you go to exams when you're hungry, right? Do you want a cow? Do you want to eat ombe? Na nini? Huh? Chabati, ugali, na mchele. Mheshimiwa, huh? And a breakfast. Mheshimiwa boy. Let me start with Mheshimiwa boy. You know him? Is he good? Do you love him? Do you love him? Mheshimiwa boy, they love you. We want a cow from you. $10,000. Mheshimiwa boy is giving me 10,000. But have you seen which pocket has he picked money from? But now he has a bag at his waist here. Mheshimiwa boy, we have 7 schools here. How can you give us 10,000? Add for us. Add 1,000. Surely. It's okay, I'm going to come back. Mheshimiwa Enyororo. Do you remember Enyororo? Do you like him? Enyororo is in charge of budget of Kisii County Assembly. 50,000. Enyororo. He's giving 5,000 for himself and 5,000 for Mheshimiwa Shem, who is going to organize his schools at Birongo. So now I have 10,000. Mheshimiwa Mbande. Mbande is where our hero, Mary Mora, comes from. You know Mary Mora? Now that he has a Shuja at his word, he should give us more. Mheshimiwa Mbande. Mbande says, you know, he had just come from US. Let him give us dollars. 5,000. Mheshimiwa Malak. 5,000. Mheshimiwa Malak Matari from Kemo Kama Ward. Where is Mheshimiwa? And he's in charge of roads. If you don't have roads, look for him. Where is Mheshimiwa Steve Arika? Ameenda wapi? You thought I would forget you. Mheshimiwa Steve Arika, 5,000. Is this money enough for a cow? It's not enough. Whom can I give to count? Bunnies, come and count the money here. Now, I have special guests here. Mheshimiwa Kiogoro, water obari. 5,000. I have some special guests here. Let them come forward. The CEC of Kisii County Government, the CECs, and the chief officers. We have CEC Education, Wazini Ondabu. Give me the mic. No, I forgot Richmond. Wait. This is CEC Eric Mianda for CEC Sports. Chief officers, where are you? Angles Kemuto. Chief Officer Livestock, Chris, your name? CC Lands. Chief Officer Education, Karen. He's the one who ate your money for bursary. Chief Officer Gladys, in charge of health. If you go to hospital and there's no medicine, look for her. Wazinis, the three of you here. How much are you giving? Huh? 5,000. You're not saying hi. You? Just stand at the sound fast. You also give 5. You will continue to stand here, no problem. And you, Azin? 4,000. How can you give 4? Okay, 5,000. Let me come to the ladies. You know, ladies are always caring, right? Your mom is caring, right? Gladys, how much are you giving? 3,000. Just stand here. And you? 3,000. And you have just come to the first school. And also 3,000. These people, they don't deserve to say hi to you. Just let them stand and wait. My CECs and the chief officers. You know, if I go home and tell the governor, I have invited you to my function, and you have refused to support my children, you know, governor, the year will become soft. See now. If you want me to go and tell governor you are a good person, you should pocket right. Can you search your pockets? I know you have money up, down, inside, left, your handbags you have left behind. You search. Whom do you want to listen his voice? Huh? Whom do you like? Gladys. Okay, the mic is 5,000 per minute. Say hi to us. 5,000. God is good all the time. Wow. I wish you all the best in your final exams in various classes. And we are here to support Her Excellency the Governor to make sure our agenda of Kisii County is achieved. We are here and we are devoted to ensure we are supporting His Excellency the Governor all the time, day and night. You also, as you finish your Form 4, ensure you vote for His Excellency the Governor when 5 years are over. How many are accepting the Form 4s? The Form 4s? I can see them. Thank you, Your Excellency. No, you see, you cannot say you are supporting the governor day and night when there is no money to support these children. Give us the 5,000 first. Yes, bring. Yes. And as you are bringing the 5,000, make sure hospitals have medicine. Who else do you want? Huh? Him. You have a choice. This is the youngest CEC in the county government and the most handsome one. Per minute is 7,000.
Na wasalimu mjambo tena. Mumesalimika vizuri? Mulisikia jina langu? Nani? Eric Miyenda, mimi ni waziri wa vijana, michezo na utamaduni katika kaunti ya Kisii, na tuko hapa kusupport hii initiative ya First Lady through His Excellency the Governor. Tunawatakia kila laheri kwa mtihani wenu. Asante sana.
Thank you, the most handsome and the youngest Wazini. We need the 7,000 from you. 7. You are handsome. You are not like Gladys. Thank you, Wazini. You are a good guy. I will make sure I tell Governor you are good. Now, whom do you want? You can go by. You want? This one? Or this one? This one. She's in charge of education. So she's in charge of ECD classes, vocational training, and your bursary. If you miss bursary, look for your MCS to look for her. How much is 1 minute for her? 9,000. 8,000. 8. Because she ate money for bursary, let her charge her 8,000.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Abantu baminto banyamwara mbiyamore mwensi. Yamore nande. Na kimoro cha magendelaya. Biyamono musupport Simba Arati. Biyamono, thank you for coming because that is an indication that you are really supporting our governor. Thank you, First Lady, for having brought us here, and whatever you have done to this community, they will never forget Simba Arati and you. We really thank you greatly, and we shall continue supporting you. Thank you.
We don't want your support. We want 8,000. Just go on and bring us 8,000. Now, who next? This one. This one. Which one? This one. Now let me tell you. She's in charge of livestock. He's the boss of Karen, who has just spoken, in charge of bursary. She's in charge of land. Who has more money? This one. So let us give him a mic. Per minute is 10,000.
I wish you the best. We are here because of you. Nimesikia mkisema 10,000. Kwani mnasema 10 si ni kidogo? Basi, Your Excellency First Lady, wacha nitoe hii alafu ingine tutaandika hata cheki kama inatakikana sahihi.
Wait. There is someone insisting. She wants me to say she's a good girl. And the way she's old. You see a good girl? Let her add us 2,000. Karen, your contribution. Okay, continue. You see 10,000.
Yeah, I want to make sure it's 10,000.
Okay, make sure he gives you 8. Don't go with my mic. My mic is expensive. Now I'm remaining with 2 ladies. Whom do you want? Oh. Now she's in charge of livestock. Do you know what is livestock? She's in charge of Ombe. And we want? Let her give us a cow. How much? 11,000.
Your Excellency, thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, wanafunzi hamjambo. We are delighted to share this occasion with you. The grade 6, the standard 8, the form 4s. We want to thank God because of you. You have worked hard, you are disciplined, and now the time has come for you to prove that you have really done your good. We wish you well as you sit for your exam. As the others have said, we are here to represent our governor. She is.
1 minute is over. 1 minute is over. You are going to 22,000 if you continue.
So, thank you.
Can she end? We just want 11,000. Just keep quiet. Yes.
Thank you, Excellency.
We give her another chance. You give us 15, you continue to speak. We don't care.
But I'm not equal to the task. Abantu banyamware to kubakira mbiyamo na singisi yo kubeka one school is one way you promote a community. Asese miere no abantu abanene bakuru. Iga no torega iga etwacha kote na mambi ihulo ko bachisiyo nejisisi nejigavana cha Kisii County. Osebon. Koromokia Na ino mambi ya emoji mwatia taiga kubaretere egente kijamoni. Taribo. Mbale kabako chakokora mukira baru baba wanta banene.
Hey, your 15,000 is taking too long. Are you done? Give us a 15,000. There, at the bank. Now the last one remaining. The way she has stayed here for long with the song, let us charge her 5,000 for 1 minute, right?
I'm happy today. You are good children. How are you today? Yeah, we are here to wish you well and to say that we wish you well in your exam. Yeah? Mwa promise ngo chimalo bakora exam bia. Moete. Aya, abantu baje mwarimu yamole. Some bia elinde libachiko baba leaders ba mambia. Inche bana dinate wichita ikairenga isano. Eyemo na kulre da ikeyemo tigaba nondu chibesiane ile ngateba 5 1 minute
5,000.
Yes.
15. We're waiting for your balance. Those people hide my debt. I have an M-Pesa agent called Malak. You send M-Pesa to him, he will give you cash. As we don't trade with M-Pesa. Now I want to invite the elected MCS. Elected MCS, please come. Elected MCS, Mheshimiwa Boy, Mheshimiwa Mbande, Mheshimiwa Richmond, Mheshimiwa Ota, Mheshimiwa Steve Arika, Mheshimiwa Malak, Mheshimiwa Ayororo. Where is Ayororo? Now, waheshimiwa. Huh? Who? No. You spoke. You must give your promise. She has given 8. She had given. Agnes, where's your 15,000? And DC on double. Okay, continue give. Gladys, I said you are a good girl. That's 2,000 you must pay. Being a good girl is expensive. Mheshimiwa Richmond, you did not give the first one. So can you first give? First, give me. Don't waste time. How much? 5,000. Hello. Now I want to show you the most hardworking, the best MCS of Kisii County. Though we are many, but now they are here. Come here. Come here. I don't want to take bribes. Come here. Richmond, don't go behind. Come that side. I want to start from your father called Mheshimiwa Peter Moindi. Mheshimiwa Peter Moindi. The colleagues are saying, let him give us another 10 for them to give. Do you accept? Yes. Mheshimiwa, please add us another 5 so that we'll make it 10. No. How much? 10. 10. They want 10, not 5. Give us 5. Thank you, boy. Hey, Toto, go with this one. Bring me 1,000. Enda kwa mama yako. Where is the mother of this baby? Hello? Hello? Please keep quiet so that we can finish faster. Watch me once. Now that Mheshimiwa Boy has added me 10,000, the colleagues who has escorted him will start with Mheshimiwa who? What is his name? And is from which ward? Huh? Ichuni. How much? Mheshimiwa Mbande, 2,000. Wait. Mheshimiwa Mbande. You know, I'm in a market of collecting. I have something here, so I can sell to you, Mheshimiwa Mbande. I found it on the chair. Now, yes. 1,000. Mheshimiwa Water Obari from Kyogoro. I don't trade single digits. Borrow from him and send him pesa. He said he's giving 2,000, but he has one. Let him look for one. Look fast. Get fast. And for him. Okay, look. Mheshimiwa Malak from Kiamokama, 2,000. What is his name? Steve Arika. Do you know him? Yes. This now is not 2,000. How much? 5,000. Is a public demand, right? Mheshimiwa Steve Arika, the public demand is 5,000. And that's 3,000. He has added 1,000. And Yororo. Do you know Yororo? She's from where? Kitutu Chache, North, Moyororo Ward. Malak, where are you going? Are you going to the bank? $2,000. Mheshimiwa, what's her name? What is his name? Richmond, 2,000. When these people gives 2,000, even name I can't remember. Mheshimiwa Water Obari, you are still left 1,000 you have not paid. We need that 1,000. How much do we have now? Young children. Hello? Yes. Are you hungry? Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Do you want to eat? Yes. But now the money I have is not enough. And your dad has refused to add us more. And you have refused your dad to add. So we ask for Mheshimiwa Peter Moyindi so that he can add us some small muchele. Is that okay? DJ Simbale Taya.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumulenga. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye.
He has added 1,000 for Muchele. Now we're at 126. 126. I'm looking for 14,000 to make it 140. At least you are 7 schools, right? So that you can have a small cow. I'm looking for how much? 14,000. The secondary school, are you happy? Do you have someone good in dancing? I want the secondary school from there. One lady and one boy. Come and dance for us.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne kaye kumurika. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne kaye kumurika. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne kaye kumurika. Achakere wo bazi simba ne kaye, ogende kontari simba ne kaye, omachoge bravo wo simba ne kaye, omachoge kaze simba ne kaye, aye sauti munirango simba ne kaye, yaliba mazawa simba ne kaye, yalibali kaze simba ne kaye, ekisutu kaze simba ne kaye, aye kaze ya sauti simba ne kaye, ekisutu kaze simba ne kaye, aye kaze ya noti simba ne kaye, abantu amindo simba ne kaye, omagala na mwemu simba ne kaye, aye kaze ya wange simba ne kaye, aye kaze ya wange simba ne kaye, aye simba na mwemu simba ne kaye, aye simba ne simba simba ne
Hello? Have you enjoyed? That means even our guests are enjoyed. This dance is not free. This dance is not free. Washmiwas and Wazini and the chief officers. The way the children has danced for you, we just want Muchele from you. Mashma Ayororo. Mashma Ayororo. How much? You are sending to? Mashma Ayororo has promised 2,000 sending to Malak. Mashma Water Obari, you still owe us 1,000. This dance, appreciate the dance of the children. Give us the 1,000. Mashma Richmond. Mashma Richmond. $1,000. Hey, Mashma boy. Mashma boy. 1,000. Mashma Steve Arika Ibeno. I'm coming slowly. Give us money. Give us the money. How much? Mashma Steve Arika said Hello? Mheshimiwa Steve Arika is saying he need to consult his wife. And his wife says the children must eat rice. Cynthia, when you go home, who cooks? Your mom. Mheshimiwa Arika, let me finish my job. I go and cook for governor also. We can withdraw for you with no charge. Yes, he's Funiza. Can we accept him to Funiza? You can Funiza, we don't care. Yes, provided you give money, you can even Funiza, borrow, go to Sharrock, even go for Tala. Gladys, my good girl. What is she?
Good girl.
Good girl?
Yeah.
You need to give us something. Huh? Malak, did Agnes give her 15,000? Did Agnes finish giving her 15,000? Now that you have said Agnes is not finished and is finished, you have fined 1,000. Arika's 1,000. Hey, getting money is hard. Good girl. I don't trade with single digits. It's okay, give me 1,000 for the good girl. Malak. Karen. Who is this to Karen? This bike is a lot of money. Just bring it out. It's not me coming and go back. 1,000. $43. At 143. So I need 7,000. I told you the most handsome CEC in Kissy County is who? This one. Eric. Eric, you are too handsome. I hope God forgives me. You know, I don't lie. Now today I've lied. Pass the gift for Eric. He has given us 2,000. Water Obari, Mheshimiwa Kiogoro, you have not paid your debts. These are debts. These are debts. Now, for this dance, you have not paid for entertainment. I have another lady here called Grace Ongwai. Grace Ongwai comes from Nyaribari. Masaba. Masaba and Nyaribari churches, you are relatives. Yes, we are one. Even Bobasi, we are one. Sindio? Yes. Hey, don't broke me. I'm going to collect money. 1,000. Mbande. Mheshimiwa Mbande. Wait, DJ, put music for Mheshimiwa Mbande to come and dance for us.
Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, hey Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Achakere wabazi, Simba ne taye. Ogenda bundali, Simba ne taye. Machoge bravo na Simba ne taye. Machoge chaje, Simba ne taye. Aye sauti mugirango, Simba ne taye. Yaribali mazawa, Simba ne taye. Yaribali chaje.
Hello? Did Mheshimiwa Mbande dance well? No. Let him come back. Mheshimiwa Mbande did not pass your exam. Do you want him to dance or you want money?
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah.
Now, how much do you have now here? 147. I'm looking for 3,000. As this knife in Arbar is hard. Thank you. I've got 2,000 from Mheshimiwa Vanis. So I need 1,000. Mheshimiwa boy, just give us 1,000, we'll finish. Oh, okay. Mheshimiwa Rabera, 1,000. 150. 150. Is 150 enough? Huh? You cannot tell me no when you are telling me to stop from Mheshimiwa boy. And he's the richest here. So I look for who? I'm a soda. Bad. Hey, Mbande. Hey, Aurora. I realized these names of Mbande and Aurora. That's the only names you can remember. Stop giving yourself good names. Call yourself a long name which they can't remember. Now, because you have refused Mheshimiwa Boyi to continue give, it will end here with 150,000. This money is not for you. This money is for all students here. And now I'm adding you 40,000 from Governor Simba Arati. So now we have 190,000. The head teachers and the principals. The head teachers and the principals. How many schools do you have here? 7. How many secondary? 1 secondary. And 6 primary. How much do you have? 20 for primaries? Okay, what are the teachers? You're only 2. If you are 2, I'm only giving 2. Who are the primaries and who is the secondary?
We have Nyamware primary, Nyamware secondary first. Nyamware primary, Getugurumu, Ideria, Geterere, Retaro.
Okay, there are 6 primary schools. Where are you? Who is the secondary? Your secondary, come here. The primary schools, we are giving you 20,000 each. You will share. And make sure the students eat. This food is for eating. And you must send pictures to Mheshimiwa Boyi to send to us. Yes. Okay, are you happy? Yes. Now the secondary school. Hello? I will give you 70,000. Hello? I told you, except the cow we are leaving behind, we have also brought you gifts. From who? From Simba Arati. First, we wish all the candidates success in exams with a success card. And all candidates will get a domestic set. And And class 8 to form 4, all girls candidates, you will get 2 packs of sanitary pads. Now, the ones who are not candidates, as you wait for your cow, you will drink soda na mukate. And when you go home, hello? When you go home, please say hi to your parents and tell your parents Governor Simba Arati has said hi and wished you success in your exams. How many of you are going to do that? Thank you and God bless you.
Uko na hiyo mic ya shua, si ndio? Sawa, shika. So hii cable.